what is evaporation. Okay, let us see. What is evaporation and where does it happen? So first example for evaporation is drying up of wet clothes in air. If you do so, where does the water from the clothes will go? If you dry these wet clothes in air, then water will be vanished in few minutes. Water will be evaporated. After 30 minutes or 40 minutes, you will see dry clothes. Okay. Second example is spirit or petrol. If you drop 1 or 2 drops of spirit on your skin, what happens? What you can observe? You will feel cool. Why? This spirit is got evaporated. This is due to the evaporation of spirit. Third example, when you do some hard work, you do some exercise, running, jogging, etc. Because of sweating, your skin becomes wet. And when you sit under the fan, how do you feel? You will feel cool. And after some time, what happens? Your skin becomes dry. Okay. The sweat from your skin will be evaporated within few minutes. During this evaporation, you will experience coolness. Okay. And the fourth example is when you pour some water on floor, after some time, what happens? This water will be evaporated. The floor will be dried. Okay, there will be no water on the floor. Why? This water is got evaporated. Next example is panting of dogs. Why do dogs pant in hot summer? This is one question from this chapter. Why do dogs pant in hot summer? Here also, dogs they don't have proper sweating mechanism. To reduce its body temperature, they pant. During this process, what happens is saliva on its tongue will be evaporated. The dog feels coolness. Because of this dogs will pant in hot summer. Okay? Right. In this way, we can see number of examples of evaporation. Now let us see how it happens. What is evaporation? Evaporation is defined as the change of phase from liquid to gas at any temperature below the boiling point. Below its boiling point. For evaporation, temperature is not constant. For each substance, there is some boiling point. Below that boiling point, evaporation may occur at any temperature. Okay? Let us understand the process of evaporation. The molecules of spirit that is kept in petri dish continuously move with random speeds in all directions. Random speeds in various directions. As a result, molecules collide with other molecules. If you take a petri dish, a vessel or container, and then take some spirit in it, within the liquid what happens? Each molecule will vibrate in all directions, in random directions in different speeds. During these vibrations, one molecule will collide with another molecule. Suppose molecule A collides with molecule B, then what happens? The kinetic energy of A will be transferred to the particle B, molecule B. Some part of kinetic energy of A will be transferred to the kinetic energy of B. then what happens? This particle, the particle B, will gain some kinetic energy. In this process, when some molecules on the surface will gain more kinetic energy. Molecules on the surface will gain more energy. How? On the surface, molecules are being collided by the molecules below the surface of the liquid. And secondly, some air particles will collide the particles on the surface. And thirdly, the molecules on the surface will gain some heat energy from the surroundings. In this way, there is a possibility for the molecules on the surface to gain energy by collisions and by absorbing heat energy from the surrounding atmosphere. By this, these molecules will get sufficient kinetic energy and they try to convert into gaseous state. Then some molecules from the surface will convert into gaseous state. They permanently escape from the liquid into the gas, into the air. Sometimes what happens is all the molecules will not escape from the surface, may not escape from the surface. Some molecules may return back to the liquid. Why? When they try to escape from the liquid, when they collide with some air particles, they lose their kinetic energy and they turn into liquid state, they come back to the liquid. In this way, what happens is some of the molecules may return back to the surface of the spirit. Then if a number of molecules escaping from the surface of the liquid, if it is more than the number of molecules returning back to the liquid, then evaporation starts. Okay. Suppose 10 molecules are escaping from the liquid, 5 molecules are returning back to the liquid. Then what happened? From the liquid, 5 molecules are converted into gas permanently, converted into vapor permanently. In this way, if the number of molecules converted into gaseous state, the number of molecules escape from the liquid into the gas, if it is more than the number of molecules returning back to the liquid, then evaporation starts. Okay, this is evaporation.